guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all the newbies. Today we're going to be learning the one-on-one on a half cut crease. Let's get started by priming our lids. I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. You could just use a regular concealer, but I like my base to be tacky. Now we're going to start placing our shadows down. I'm starting from darkest to lightest. The placement of our shadow sort of looks like a sideways horseshoe. I find that this kind of helps in the process later when I'm cutting the crease, so I just follow along the lines that I've already done. I already covered blending in my previous video, so I'm just going to speed up the process for you guys a little. Now just taking some Vaseline on a clean flat brush, I'm making way for my cut crease. This tip makes it way easier if you make mistakes. If you've made a mistake, just pop the shadow back on and it's like it never happened. Now going in with some micellar water and a Q-tip, we're going to get rid of that excess makeup that the Vaseline has left. Doing this is going to ensure an extra sharp, crisp cut. Now using the P. Louise times Mitchell blank canvas acid rain paint, we're going to finally cut that crease. I tried to keep this process as real as possible, as it's quite deceiving seeing those Instagram videos of just having a straight up cut crease in like seconds. This usually takes me a couple of minutes just till I get the shape that I like and the amount of crispness. To make sure there's no harshness, I'm just getting my finger and patting where the base ends to blend it in with the eyeshadow. Now I've decided to go back in and just fix some of my lines and make my cut crease just a little bit more crisp. When placing the shadows on my lid, I like to put them in more of an eyeliner shape just to give a bit of that effect as if I am wearing a liner. But really it's just shadows. Also guys, feel free to let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next on my channel. Okay, so I'm still getting used to this whole YouTube thing, so I did go off camera a little bit, but basically what I did was I just went in with the same colours on my lid underneath my eye. Can we just take a second to appreciate this blend? Now going in with the NYX glitter primer, I'm just going to prime the areas where I'm going to be placing my pigment. I'm then going in with the Angel pigment from Sugar Babe Cosmetics. This product is literally insane. You guys need this in your kit, I kid you not. I highly recommend using the NYX glitter primer if you want that pigment to really pop. Without using the glitter primer, it's a little more loose and sheer. So using the NYX glitter primer just gives it that little bit more coverage and makes it pop. I've been loving using this pigment as a highlighter. It is absolutely beautiful. Now going in with some mascara, we're just going to coat the lashes to get them ready for the falsies. These are wifey lashes from Saya Beauty. And there you go, that's your half cut crease. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe to support my artistry.
It's on. And stop. Probably not the best thing over here. I can't. Yeah,
Stop.
We might not do that. I'm just so confused.
I'm typing, you know.
So, oh, a little bit less expression. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it didn't work. Never mind. I should have done. Wait.
Thanks guys, see you next time!